Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing great at your homes. Okay, let's start the day. What is the date today? Very good. Today is 15th of November 2024. Now, who will tell me what is the date in Urdu? क्या तारीख है आज? बिल्कुल सही जवाब 15 नवंबर 2024। और इस्लामिक तारीख क्या है? बिल्कुल सही जवाब 12 जमादियुल अव्वल 1440 हिजरी। नाउ हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज़ द डे टुडे? वेरी गुड। टुडे इज़ फ्राइडे और फ्राइडे को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? शाबाश। फ्राइडे को उर्दू में जुमा कहते हैं और जुमे को अरबी में क्या कहते हैं? यौमुल जुमा। Okay kids, as we were discussing in the previous lessons, we were talking about numbers in words, and now all of you know and we can say numbers in words, but we are going to just revise them. And which number can you see on your screens? Yes, we have number 1, and now we will say number 1 in words. Say with me, O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Now we have number 2, and say number 2 with me, T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. Now we will make a ritual. For number 2 we will say 2 times, and for number 3 we will say 3 times. Okay? Now we have number 2, T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. Now we have number 3, and say number 3 with me in words, T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. And now we have number 4. So say number 4 4 times. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now we have number 5, and we will say number 5 in words, and we will say it 5 times. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. So you can count these on your fingers. So we have count and say number 5 in words. F-I-V-E 5. Now we have number 6. And how many times we will say number 6 in words? Yes, we will say it 6 times. Count with me. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. So we have said number 6 times. Now we have number 7. And how many times we will say number 7? Very good. We will say it for 7 times. You can count on your fingers. Let's start. S-E-V-E-N 7. 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 Now we have number 8, and we have to say it 8 times. That's great. And we will say it in words. Let's start, and you will be counted these numbers on your fingers. EIGHT 8, 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 EIGHT 8. And now we have number 9. And how many times we will say number 9? That's great. We will say 9 times. And say with me, N-I-N-E 9, 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 N-I-N-E 9. And you have to count these on your fingers, okay? Then you can count, otherwise you will miss up. Now we have number 10, and we will say it 10 times, and you can count this on your both hand. Okay, let's start. TEN 10, 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 TEN 10. And now we have revised and learned numbers in words from 1 to 10. And now we will see different objects, and then we will say them in words. Okay? Okay, kids. Today we are going to count flowers, and then we will say the number in words. Now, who is going to tell me? Who is going to tell me how many flowers in this plant? Yeah, it's one flower. And now we will say one in words. Repeat with me. O N E 1. O N E 1. So there is one flower, and we have say in words. Now we have another plant, as you can see, and in this plant, how many flowers can you see? Yeah, these are 2 flowers, 1 and 2. Now we will say 2 in words. Repeat with me. T W O 2. T W O 2. Look, kids, now we have another plant. And how many flowers could you see on this plant? Count with me. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will say 3 in words. THREE 3. THREE 3. So these are 3 flowers, and we can say 3 in words. THREE 3. THREE 3. On this plant, how many flowers could you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will say 4 in words. Say with me. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. So how many flowers we are seeing in this plant? 4. Say with me. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now look, students, what I found. I have found another plant, and there are more flowers than the previous ones. And now we are going to count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 flowers in this plant. And now we will say 5 in words. Say with me, F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. So we can say 5 times. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay kids, now I have found another plant and there are more flowers than the previous ones. First of all, we are going to count how many flowers are there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many flowers are there? 6. Say 6 in words. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we are going to count 2 plants, and first of all we will count their flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 flowers, and we will say 7 in words. S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we are going to count flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the little one 8. So we have found 8 flowers, and now we will say 8 in words. Say with me, E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we are going to count these flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and we will say 9 in words. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. So there we have 9 flowers and we can say 9 in words. Now we have found 10 flowers. First of all we are going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have found 10 flowers, and now we will say 10 in words. Say with me. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. And now we can say numbers in words by counting different objects. Okay kids, now we will count different objects and then we will say them in words. Okay, now who is going to tell me how many nose do you have? Okay, you have one nose. Everyone has one nose. And now we will say one in words. Say with me. O-N-E, 1. Now you have to tell me how many eyes do you have? Very good. We have 2 eyes. And say number 2 in words. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. And then we have number 3. And say number 3 loudly. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And now we have number 4. Say with me. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Then we have number 5. And how many fingers are there on one hand? Yes, we have 5 fingers. And now we will say number 5 in words. F-I-V-E, 5. FIVE 5. Then we have number 6 and we will say number 6 in words SIX 6. SIX 6. Now we have number 7 and we will say number 7 in words SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. Then we have number 8. Say number 8 in words EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. Then we have number 9. Say number 9 in words NINE 9. NINE 9. Now we have number 10. Say number 10 in words TEN 10. TEN 10. Now we will see different objects and then we will count them and we will say them in words.